Hi everyone. In this question, I am going to solve a really interesting radical equation. Many of the students do it in wrong way. This equation looks scary, but it's actually very systematic. Let's solve it step by step. Very first, what strategy we will apply? So whenever you see nested square root, we work from outside going inward. So we remove one square root at a time. Subtract 1 from both sides and 3 minus 1 equal 2. Now we remove the outer square root by squaring both sides. If a equal b, then a square equal b square. Now taking square and simplify, square root square cancel out, and we left with square root of bracket square root x plus 1 equal 4. Subtract 1 again, 4 minus 1 equal 3. Again square both sides, so square root square cancel and 3 square equal 9. Subtract 1 again, so 9 minus 1 equal 8. Square both sides one last time, so square root x square become x and 8 square equals 64. So final the value of x is 64. Because we square multiple times, we must check for extraneous root. Substitute x is equal 64 into original. So square root of 64 equal 8. 8 plus 1 equal 9. Square root of 9 equal 3. 3 plus 1 equal 4. And square root of 4 equal 2. 2 plus 1 equal 3. Therefore the solution is x equals 64. This problem is actually reversible. Each step reverse, subtract 1 then square. This is a classical nested radical trick. Try this one. What if the answer was 4 instead of 3? Never skip the checking step when squaring. Thank you so much for joining. Don't forget to subscribe.